Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about, well, yesterday's video that we posted of where to invest $10,000 and the week ahead. Given that it is Monday here, we wanted to discuss with you guys what you need to be thinking. Currently, the crypto markets are bleeding badly, the regular markets as well, whether you're talking about the S&P 500, gold, or anything of the likes of it, is currently struggling right now. Markets are crashing, and there is economic crisis everywhere we look, and everybody is probably sitting here panicking today. I gotta tell you guys, I am not panicking. I am holding firm. I am very excited and eager for the opportunity ahead of us here, and that's exactly what I'm gonna talk about in today's video. If you guys like the content we're bringing you, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me take a peek into the charts here for the day and show you guys a little bit about what we got going on right now. Now, this is recorded the night before here, so I want you guys to be aware of that. But you're currently seeing ApeCoin down 20%. Absolutely brutal. But you know what? Not that bad overall here. It's still growing rank number 30, which is a very good ranking. And when you look at the price, it's currently still priced at a pretty nice spot here. So you're still sitting right around that $17 mark. You know, I DCA'd in at $13 and a little bit here over the course of it. So I got on some of those lower prices. I didn't quite buy as we started pumping. You got to try to keep in mind, and this is something that we say here on this channel, you know, you want to buy the dips and you kind of want to, you sell the peaks, right? And when I say sell the peaks, I'm a hodler. So I'm just talking about taking a little bit of profit, right? It's good to have a little bit of cash on the sidelines, and it is good to also keep putting money in the market. So you kind of got to balance out both. That's just where the dollar cost averaging comes into the picture. So right now, what am I doing given the state of these markets? And why did yesterday we do a video about investing $10,000? Because to be honest with you guys, a saying we've said here on the Crypto Report is you got to buy when there's blood in the streets. And why do you want to do that? Because you don't want to buy sandals in the summer. You don't want to buy sandals on the beach in the summer where they're going to be a premium, right? You want to buy sandals in the winter at that outlet mall where you got that 50%, 75% discount because it's winter and nobody cares about sandals. That's exactly what we got going on right now in the crypto markets, guys. Nobody cares about the price of the cryptos right now. Nobody's investing in these, or the masses are not, because they're panicking. You got a lot of panickers, you got a lot of paper handers out there, and you got people that need their money, right? Maybe they're over leveraged, maybe they're borrowing too much. You know, you've got a lot of people that either need the liquidity right now or feel like they need the liquidity right now. So you got panic, you got blood in the streets. You got Bitcoin down, gonna probably break further below here, 38K this week, to be honest with you. I mean, it could spike back up at any moment. This could be just a big liquidation event. Ethereum going down. Now, I'm not going to say this is a medium-term or long-term bearish event. It could be. It's definitely going down in the short term for right now. We've broken some resistances. So we got to see if Bitcoin can find its way back up here and Ethereum can do the same. Couple big losers right now. You do have CRO actually down, and this is one of my biggest bags, down 20% right now. So even though it's one of the top losing coins right now, I'm not panicking. So I feel strong. I love the investment. I got my rose gold card, and I am happy. Now, I did borrow some money in the Tectonic Finance app on the Crypto.com DeFi app, so I am paying down that loan accordingly, and I have been since I actually started, you know, and taking out the loan. So I wanted to be paying that down right away to take some of the risk off the table. And you got to make sure you're doing that, right? Protect yourself. If you're a leverage trader, this is a dangerous time to be leverage trading. If you're doing a short right now, you're probably in a great short, but always take profit, guys, because nothing goes down or up forever. Now, why did we do a video about $10,000 and where you should invest the other day? Because these are the times to buy. There's blood in the streets right now. You're buying sandals in the winter if you're buying right now. Now, I'm not saying take your $10,000 and dump it in today. Now, that video we did yesterday was a hypothetical on if you had to. Well, you don't have to, and you shouldn't invest your $10,000 in one day. I got to make that very, very clear. You don't want to just dump all your money. If you had $10,000 and only $10,000, you don't want to just go all in one day. You might want to break that up. $500 here, $500 here, $100, $100, $100. Do this over a month. Do this over 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, the year. Even if, whatever works for you guys. Depends how much you got coming in. So these are all things you got to keep in mind. That being said, we could have a bearish cycle here happening. This could be a downfall. And it could be a couple years until we see Bitcoin go back up. We could spike back up tomorrow, by the end of the week, by Friday, we got a new month. And so this could be a fake out to start the month, and then we could go up, or it could be a red month. So keep those in mind. But what I'm saying to you guys right now is if you do have that $10,000 on the sidelines, well, you're getting a discount. You're getting a 4%, 5% discount on Bitcoin for the last 7 days, 6% discount on Ethereum for the last 7 days. You want to talk about a discount, you're getting a 27% discount on Cronos, crypto.com for the last 7 days. A huge discount. Beautiful time to buy. So that's what I'm doing. I'm DCAing. I am dollar cost averaging a couple $100 a week, $100 a week, a couple $100 a month, $1,000 a month, whatever you can afford. That's what you need to be considering putting into the projects that you believe in. Now, if you're sitting here and you're watching this channel, you're probably a crypto believer. And if you're sitting here and you're watching this channel, you may have some exposure to some altcoins. And I love altcoins. But I will say this. On a time when cryptos are going down, Bitcoin and Ethereum will go down the least. And that's the fact. Now, BNB going down less than Ethereum. So that's something to consider. Solana down 12%. XRP down 15%. Terra Luna down 11%. Cardano down 12%. Like I said, crypto.com is down 27%. Polygon down 20%. Over the last 7 days, Bitcoin's only down 5%. This is why I told you guys in the last video, you got to have a little bit of Bitcoin. I know it seems so expensive, but it's a little bit of protection for you guys. It's important to keep that in mind. Now, I am not telling you right now to sell your altcoins and go into Bitcoin. Some people do that. If you need to do that, and that's what you absolutely need to do, act accordingly, act at your own risk, do your own research. But in my experience, that is not the move. If you're an investor and you're a long-term investor and you follow similar beliefs to we have on this channel where you DCA and HODL, then you can't sway from that. You got to DCA, you got a dollar cost average, and you got to hold for the long term. And that includes your altcoins. Now, when it comes to an animal concerts type of coin, you're probably getting crushed right now. I don't even know how far that's down. But I'm sure it's getting crushed. Steppen, let's see. Let's matter of fact, guys, let's just take a peek. I want to use these as some examples just to kind of see what's going on with these markets. So it's coin rank number 46. Let's just see what's going on here. So, look at that. Steppen's actually up here. Now, we're going to see what happens. Let's keep an eye. I'm going to check back in with you guys on Steppen later this week. Steppen's actually performing really well. Now, it's been really hot lately, and it has been a trending coin, so it's up over the last 7 days. If you had some money in Steppen, I'm going to say, take some profit, right? Just because you're a hodler doesn't mean you can't take profit. Hodling doesn't mean never sell. If you never sell, you never win. So you want to take some profits. But, keep your exposure accordingly to what you guys believe and, how much risk you want to be exposed to, because these coins will go down very significantly. As you go lower here, you're going to start to see 33%, 26% more consistently. There's exceptions to the rule, but we are just turning down, and so we got a long week ahead. We're going to see what happens here this week, but it's going to be very interesting to watch. Today's message is if you got that $10,000 and if you're looking to invest, dollar cost average, guys, and hold on. The most money that I've ever made in crypto came from the times where it hurt the most. The times when you don't want to invest is the times where you need to start investing. Now, a little bit at a time, not all in one day, guys. Not all in one day, because that's not the way to do it. If you aped into ApeCoin at $27, I'm so sorry. And you might want to consider holding on to that for the long haul if you believe in the project. If you don't believe in the project, you should probably find a project that you believe in. Now, I do believe in ApeCoin. I've got very small bags of it, so I'm going to hold that. I'm going to hold that for the long term. Same with Zilliqa. Same with animal concerts. Same on crypto.com is less risky, but I am not touching my crypto.com. That is for sure. you know, a lot of these other projects, even if you have Polygon, if you're a Shiba Inu holder, when it's going down like this, if you're going out and you're panic selling and you're taking a loss, you're going to be in a worse situation than if you just held on for long term and DCA'd. That is a promise. History will show it. We'll look back in this video in 2 years and we'll go, you know what? I should have DCA'd. I should have hodled. I've been in the crypto market since 2016, and every single time I have varied and strayed from the path of buying when the markets are down or sold on the way down. Honestly, I've regretted it. So from my experience, I'm going into this potential bear market with a much stronger mentality towards DCAing and hodling. And also, guys, I'm not calling a bear market. I'm not going to call a bear market at all. I do think that we've got strong floors here through Bitcoin, and as we all know, the broader markets in crypto follow Bitcoin. So be prepared here. Save your cash. Also DCA, get ready for the buying opportunities, guys, because this is when you get your big discounts, because we are buying sandals in the winter, y'all, and it's getting chilly out there this week. That's all I got for you guys today. I am Crypto Kip, and this is the Crypto Report. Stay calm, guys. DCA and hodl on. Smash the like button and subscribe. And don't forget, guys, you got to DCA, hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.